Hi, this is Ian from Bird-B-Gone. Today I'd like to talk to you about installation of bird wire. So we have a mock-up here. We're going to go through the process and how we install it. So there's a few simple tools that we're going to need, and I'll show you those right now. First, we're going to need a pair of needle nose pliers. We need these to crush the ferrule, the crimp, to make sure that wire is held into place. We'll also need a good cutting tool, so we can either use this on the needle nose pliers, or we can use some actual cutting tools. The next thing we're going to need is a very simple tool. It's going to be a hammer. We're going to be using glue-on bases, or we're going to drill it into the concrete. When we drill it into the concrete, we use a rivet, we put the post in place, and we hammer it down. If we use a glue-on bases, we screw these into either wood or steel, and then again we hammer the post into place. Once I've got the posts in place, we're going to be using our bird wire. It's a very simple piece of material. It's stainless steel that's been nylon coated. So we put a spring on one end, we put our cable through there, we put the little ferrule, little crimp in place, crimp it, we're going to run it along. This whole section is going to be 10 feet, so every 5 feet we're going to need a post. So once we've got our middle one in, we run that cable through, we crimp it off on the far end. Now, one of the really important things to do is get the right tension. If you don't have the right tension, it will bow. There's a possibility birds could push and actually get on the edge. So we need to get a twang, almost like a guitar. When we've got that twang, we know we've got the correct tension. So it's one of the most important parts. I also recommend using the regular size springs. If you use the very small springs, I've found them not to be quite strong enough in a lot of times. So please use the large springs. Put those in place. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please see us next time. If you have any questions about this tip or need additional assistance, please call our office at 1-800-392-6915 or visit bird-begone.com.